What's good, YouTube? Welcome to a new video. If you're watching this and you are not subscribed, make sure you go subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos. But today, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a what I eat in a day realistic version. Obviously it's morning time right now, so the first meal is going to be breakfast. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and let's get into this what I eat in a day video. Where was I can't crack an egg with my hand, so I kind of can't do the whole camera over the thing. Actually, can I crack it with my hand? I can. Okay. Our egg is cooking. I'm about to put the bread in the toaster. I guess I'll just toast half of it now. And then I'll just flip it around. I don't know, but our egg is cooking. I'm really hoping I don't burn the bread. Oh wait, that needs to be cooked more before I can flip it. I really hope I don't burn the bread because I really hate like burnt stuff. Like, already gonna flip the bread. Here it is. Whoa. Shove that back in there. This on the bread. I used to not like hot sauce on my stuff, but I've learned to like it. Hopefully this doesn't come out like crazy fast. I just want a little bit. Okay, it's working. There we go. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Oh, my coffee. I forgot about my coffee. Then I just use vanilla creamer for right now because that's all that's here. But here is breakfast meal number 1 of Z-Day. It's good. That was breakfast. I'm gonna eat and I will check in with you if I have a snack or anything. I'm super excited for lunch and actually dinner because I'm trying something new for dinner, but my lunch recipe is so good. So I will check in with you guys when I eat something next. So it is now 12:30 and I'm starting to get a bit hungry. So we are going to make lunch because by the time we're done making lunch, it's gonna be like 1 maybe. Well, it doesn't take a long time to make, but we're making steak bites, but they're like seasoned really good. Well, I think they're actually called like garlic butter steak bites. I don't know what they're called exactly, but that's what we're gonna make, and they're so good. It's literally one of my favorite meals. So let's get into making our steak. Okay, and then you're gonna get your seasonings. I pre-mixed these seasonings before I even did this video. The seasonings that I use will either be down below or I'll just pop them up on the screen right here. But pretty much you're gonna take your cup of seasonings and then sprinkle them all on the steak. Steak should look like this. All the sides and everything should be coated. And I stir it until there's no loose seasonings at the bottom of the bowl. And then I use a pan like this one where it has like edges on the side, like taller. I don't know, just a pan that looks like that. This is what they look like cooking. Put them onto your plate. And then they're steaming, they're so hot. Okay, there we go. Add about that much butter. I just used a knife, but I do like that much. Add your steak back in. And then stir the steak in the butter. And then let that sit for a little bit. I wouldn't say that this is the healthiest steak recipe out there, but it's really, 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 really good. It's one of my favorite meals. And then while that sits for a minute, I'm gonna finish getting my broccoli. And there's chicken mixed in with this. We're not having chicken right now though. Put the quinoa on the plate. It was like a meal together, but I just want the quinoa right now. It's kind of a lot, but it's fine. For about 30 seconds. All right, so the steak is done. So then go ahead. I don't know why I'm using this little spoon. Okay, but pretty much add your steak to your plate. All right, y'all, and here is lunch. Got my steak, rice and quinoa, and broccoli. And I would say this is a 10 out of 10 meal, and it's so good. It's perfect timing because it is 1 o'clock now, and my meal is made. And again, not the healthiest option out there because of all the butter on the steak, but that's just, it makes it so good. But it's one of my favorite recipes. You could definitely not add the butter to make it healthier, but I don't know, it's good, it's what I like. So that's what I am eating for lunch today. All right, you guys, it is now finally time for dinner. It is 6:24 right now, and I don't really eat snacks throughout the day. I feel like my meal portions are a decent size, and I don't know, I would rather have like a full-on meal instead of little meals and snacks. I did have popcorn today, but that was just popcorn, so I didn't really film that. But for dinner, we are going to be making Hawaiian style chicken. This was just at Aldi, but it just looked really good. Put this in the microwave. All right, so it is done. Okay, I was gonna get like a bowl to put it in, but this is what it looks like. Okay, there's like 2 of them in here. So there's that big one and then this thing, which I'll probably have half of the other one. I'm really struggling right now. And then there's pineapples that I'm gonna eat, obviously, but I'm gonna get my plate ready and we're going to try this. That's good. The flavor of it is honestly so good. This is what it looks like. Oh. But I probably could use a little bit more time in the microwave, but it's honestly really good. So that's my dinner, and see you guys when I'm finished with this. All right, you guys, it is currently the next day. I had my dinner. I didn't eat anything else after dinner. I try not to eat anything else after my dinner, unless if it's like a little bowl of ice cream or something, because I let myself eat sweets. Like, how do you just not eat what you want, you know? Obviously balance like my lunch. The steak probably wasn't the healthiest recipe, but it was super good. So I eat what I want. I work out when I can. I definitely try to balance out my meals and my workouts and my sweets and all of that stuff. But this concludes the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe if you have not subscribed. I appreciate you guys, and I don't know about you, but in the meantime, I got you blessed.